Hi everyone, Ajay Chat right now with you, Dubai Fitness Expo at Dubai Mall. Right now, I'm the person, I think so I'm not called the person, he's a legend. Mr. Tom is a big name in the bodybuilding. Last time he's visited the Pakistan Fitness Expo, Pakistan edition from Dubai Fitness Expo. So let's talk to with him how he feel when he's in the Pakistan for Fitness Expo, Pakistan edition. Hi Tom, how are you?
How are you doing, guys? All good, yeah? All good?
So how you're feeling about when you travel in the Pakistan, when you see the people there?
I just want to come back out there. I cannot wait to get back out. Everyone was so humble, so kind, the food was great, the weather was amazing. And the athletes, they should be on the world stage because the athletes out there were incredible. And you guys were so humbling, and I cannot wait to come back out and see you guys.
So I think so you not forget our hospitality and how we are good with the guests.
Incredible hospitality.
Okay, Tom, just last question. What is the people thinking about that Pakistan is an unsafe country and like a lot of problems there? So you travel there, you stay there for a few days. How you feel it?
Yeah, no, I didn't see no trouble or anything. Where we were staying, everyone was so kind and warming. I didn't see no trouble at all. It's a lovely place to visit, and I recommend people should go visit because the people, the culture, and the whole country as a whole is incredible.
Okay, so Fitness Expo is coming in March in Pakistan. So you hope so you'll be there right with us?
I'll be there with you guys, definitely.
Thank you so much, Tom. Thank you so much. Keep watching Fitness Expo with Ajay Chat.